In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a LinkedIn business page on mobile. Now, unfortunately, you cannot directly do it on the application. You will need to do it on a web browser. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up any web browser on your mobile device. For this video, I'm going to be using Google Chrome. And then you want to go ahead and type in linkedin.com/company/setup/new, just like so. Then you want to go ahead and just enter it in the search results, and then it is going to go ahead and bring you to a page that looks like this. Now, if you never used LinkedIn on your web browser before, then you will need to go ahead and sign in again. And by the way, make sure that you go to the top right, select on these three dots, and make sure that the option that says desktop site is actually selected. You just want to make sure that you select on desktop site, just like so. And if for whatever reason the LinkedIn web browser is not opening and it's automatically taking you to the app, if that does happen, then what you need to do is you need to uninstall the LinkedIn app, and then afterwards you can go ahead and use the web browser. So it's a little bit weird. You can't have both of them at the same time. So if you're running into issues, I suggest deleting the LinkedIn app and then go ahead and download it after this tutorial, after you went ahead and created your business page. All right, but anyways, once you're in this page, you guys actually are able to go ahead and create a company, a educational institution, or a showcase page right over here. And you just want to go ahead and enter in all of the personal details right over here, the images, the details and stuff like that. And it really is that simple. So obviously it will depend on what exactly you're trying to make a page out of. So you just want to make sure you put effort and you want to make sure you include as much detail as possible. And it is basically the same exact thing as the desktop, except you're doing it on your mobile device now. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.